and welcome to Budapest. Yes, I just jetted off to Hungary, last minute travel. Actually yesterday I was in 5 different countries trying to get here. Yeah, that was a little bit of a crazy travel day, but today I'm just exploring this really cool city. This is my first time in Hungary and I'm starting it off to try fight off some jet lag. We're gonna go to some thermal baths. This is the most famous thermal bath, at least I've heard, that I'm gonna check out here. I think we may be allowed to film, so let's go check it out. Actually a pretty cool experience. I'm still here now and it's just been like super relaxing. Time seems to fly by when you're sitting in the pools because it's just, I don't know, there's just something magical about the old looking buildings and the warm water. It's like 40-degree water. And there's this cool like whirlpool thing that's happening right now. Let me show you. Wraps up my time at the thermal baths. I don't even know how to pronounce what this one's called. I'll put it on the screen here, but I highly recommend that you come check them out. It's a cultural experience, but it's also very relaxing. I easily spent the day here, just enjoyed myself. There's pools inside, there's pools outside, and overall it's just a really relaxing vibe. If your feet are sore from walking the streets of Budapest, come to the thermal baths and just hang out. So that's my top pick of things to do in Budapest so far. Morning guys, welcome to day 2 of Budapest Adventures. Today I'm doing a walking tour and we're starting at the Basilica behind me. And we're just going to do a walking tour of all over central Budapest, followed by a walk up Fisherman's Bastion, so I'll show you that. And I just really have been enjoying my time in Budapest. The nightlife here is really sweet. The hostel I'm staying at is a party hostel. I highly recommend it. Yeah, just been having some fun. Really enjoying my solo trip to Budapest. The walking tour and now we're walking around this beautiful quaint little part of Pest. So we learned that Buda and Pest are separated by the river and a chain bridge, and now we're exploring Buda, and then where we were before was on the Pest side. But this area is so cute. This is on the Buda side. It is split from the Pest side by the Danube River. And this is just like beautiful architecture, something that I highly recommend you come check out, especially at sunset. The lighting here is gorgeous. Perfect! traditional food called langos. Probably pronounced that wrong. This is fried dough, sour cream and cheese. We have Tony here. Say hi, Tony. And he's gonna take the first bite because he is hangry. He's hangry, he needs to eat. We've been doing a walking tour for far too long. All right, fried dough action, sour cream. First thoughts, first thoughts. Yeah, worth it?
It's pretty good.
Pretty good. There, you heard it here first. This is the traditional style langos at the Christmas market. Hi guys, now we're gonna try some pork sausage with Dijon mustard and bread. Super traditional, super simple Hungarian food. And by the way, the langos is really good, but it's super oily and very heavy. But I definitely recommend you try it out. You gotta get used to the Hungarian food here, you know, get into the culture. This is my last day in Budapest. It's a really interesting city. I definitely recommend if you're interested in visiting Eastern Europe. Budapest is a really great place to start. It's just a really easy to travel, very friendly and open city. I just really had a good time. Today I just checked out a castle in City Park and I'm gonna head back into the thermal baths because I enjoyed it that much. But if you're interested in just exploring Eastern Europe, I highly recommend you come make a visit over to Budapest. You won't regret it. Spending my last night walking around the Jewish district. It's really cool. Cool area. Hey! It's my last night in Budapest! We're at the food market. It's my last night and I couldn't leave Budapest without trying some goulash. So here it is. Just got some goulash.
That's gonna be good.
Yum! This is a traditional Hungary cake, also not to be missed when you're visiting Budapest, just to try the chimney cake.
I have a light allergy to almonds.
I'm still walking around the Jewish district. I just had to come on here to tell you that you have to come here if you're in Budapest. This is like a different city within the city. It's so cool. And we just went to a Rune Bar, one of the more well-known ones. Super interesting. I have not seen something like that before, so I highly recommend come to the Jewish district and check out some Rune Bars for the nightlife in Budapest.